Hi, first graders. All right, so for phonics this week, for word study, we're learning something new, okay? So when we were back at Mount View, we learned all about a few different digraphs. Now, digraphs, remember, when we take two letters, and if we put the two letters together, it makes a new sound. One of those that we know is SH, 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 sh. Another one, CH, 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 ch. Those are digraphs. It means two letters that you put together and it makes one sound. Well, today we're going to start talking about trigraphs. Tri. Now, digraph means two. Trigraph, any guesses? What do you think that means? How many letters? 3. A trigraph means there are 3 letters that when you put them together, they just make one sound. They don't make separate sounds. They make one sound together. We're going to be learning about trigraphs for the next couple weeks. The first trigraph that we are going to talk about is T, C, H. T, C, H. So when we take those 3 letters, T, C, H, and we put them together, they make one sound, okay? And that sound that they make is ch. Say it with me, ch. Oh, uh-oh. We already know something else that makes that sound. Doesn't CH make that? CH, 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 ch. And this one makes the ch sound? Oh man, so we have two different ways, TCH and CH by itself. Those two different ways make the same sound. So now here's the question. How do we know which one to use? If I have to spell a word and I know that it has the ch sound in it, how do I know if I should spell it TCH or CH? Oh, that sounds so confusing. Don't worry. I'm going to show you how. Okay. So, TCH, we use those 3 letters if, now this is how it goes, if that sound is the final means last, if that sound is the final sound in a word, if it's the last sound of the word, and it's after a short vowel. Now that might seem kind of confusing, but I'm going to show you how we're going to practice a lot with a few different words, okay? Now let's remember what a short vowel is. We know our vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. The short ones are A, E, O, I, U, So So those are short. That's a short version of the vowels. So if this sound ch is at the end of the word, it's the last sound in the word, and it's after a short vowel, then we will usually spell it with this T. But, if, I meant to do this in pink. I want it in pink so we can tell the difference. But if it's not the last sound and it's not right after a short vowel, so almost everything else, then we just spell it CH with no T. Let's try a couple together. I'm going to show you, and we're going to see where they should go, okay? So, the first word that we're going to spell, and we're going to figure out, should it go with TCH, is it spelled with a T, or is it spelled with a CH? The first word is switch. I want you to sound that out. Switch. Sw-I-ch. Switch. So I have to think, is it the last sound? Switch. It is. It's the last sound. And is it after a short vowel? Sw-I-ch. It's right after a short vowel and it's the last sound. So it's going to be spelled with a T. So we sound that out. Swa, if, ch, T, C, H. That works. Let's try another one. How about this one? Beach. I want to go to the beach. Let's sound it out. B-E-ch. Beach. Is it the last sound? Beach? It is the last sound. Is it after a short vowel? E. Ooh. I know that this short vowel is eh. Is that the same thing? Beach. Eh? No, it's not. So that's going to be over here. B. And we know that to make the E sound, one of the ways is E-A. And then ch. So that one has no T. Okay, let's try another one. Here we go. Fetch. Sound it out. Fetch. F-E-ch. Fetch. Like a dog that goes and plays fetch. F-E-ch. Fetch. Let's think. Is it the final sound? Fetch. It is. It's the end of the word. Is it after a short vowel? F-E-ch. It is. That's right after a short vowel. So it has a TCH. E-ch. Oh, TCH. T-C-H. Let's try another one. How about batch? That's like I want to make a batch of cookies. That sounds so yummy. I want a batch of cookies. Let's sound it out. B-A-ch. Batch. B-A-ch. Batch. I want you to start thinking. Which one do you think it's going to be? Think if it's the last sound, and if it's right after a short vowel, or not. B-A-ch. Batch. I don't know about you, but I noticed that it is the last sound. I also noticed It's not A. A is a long vowel. It's not bay. No, it's A. That's a short vowel. It is a short vowel. B-A-ch. Batch. B-A-ch. Batch. Now that's kind of crazy. All right. How about another one? How about this one? Pinch. Don't pinch me. Pinch. Let's sound it out. P-in-ch. Pinch. P-in-ch. Pinch. Okay. Is it the last sound? Pinch. It is the last sound. Is it right after a short vowel? P-I. Ooh, I hear I. Wait a second. But I hear something else. P-in-ch. Nch. It's not right after a short vowel. It's right after a n. That's an N. That's not a short vowel. So it's not right after a short vowel. Pinch. P-inch. It's not. So it's got to go over here. P-inch. Pinch. One more, and then you're going to get a turn yourself. Okay, how about this one? French, like French fries. Yummy, French. Or someone that is from the country of France, we say that they are French. Let's sound that out and let's see where we think it needs to go. And I want you to try and figure this out before I do. Okay, let's sound it out. French. 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 What do you think? Check this list. This is the last sound. Okay. Is it right after a short vowel? Is it? What do you think? I noticed that it is the last sound. French. It's the last sound. Is it after a short vowel? I hear the eh, which is a short vowel. Eh. Ooh, but there's something else in there. What's in there? It's an again. Just like pinch. Fr-and-nch. Nch. That's not right after a short vowel. It's after the N. So where does it go? Does it spell with TCH or is it spelled with CH? What do you think? I hope you said CH. Fur. We do a capital letter for if it's somebody like where they're from. They're French. F, R, fur. F, French. There we go. Okay. Now, you need a piece of paper and a pencil because you're going to spell some on your own. But I'm going to show you how. So pause the video, go get a piece of paper and a pencil, and get ready to spell some of your own. Okay, now that you have your piece of paper and a pencil, I want you to draw a T-chart. That's kind of like the chart that I made. So you're going to draw a line across the top. Then you're going to draw a line straight down the middle. Doesn't have to be very long. So it looks like a T. On one side, you're going to put T, C, H, like mine was. On the other side, you're going to put C, H, okay? Now, if you want to, you can add the two notes that help us know if it's TCH or CH. So we know that if it's the final sound, it's TCH, and if it's right after a short vowel, and those vowels are a, I, okay? So if it has those two, then it's TCH. But if it doesn't, then it's CH. Now I'm going to give you a word. We're going to sound it out. And you need to figure out if it goes in the TCH spot or the CH, and you need to spell it. The first word is bench. B-E-N-C-H. Bench. B-E-N-C-H. Bench. Do you think bench goes with TCH or CH? Bench. B-E-N-C-H. Bench. Put it in the right spot and spell it. Do it quick. Write it down. B-E-N-C-H. Bench. All right, I have 3 more words for you, and you're going to do the same thing. You're going to think, where do they go? Is it spelled with a TCH or with just a CH? You have to figure out which column to put it in. Okay, here's your next word. Catch. Catch a ball. Let's sound it out. K-A-Ch. Catch. K-A-Ch. Catch. How do we spell it? Where does it go? Catch. K-A-Ch. Catch. Where does it go? Write it down. K-A-Ch. Catch. Okay, let's try the next one. How about this? Ditch. We don't want to fall in a ditch. That's like one of those holes in the side of the road. Ditch. D-I-Ch. Ditch. D-I-Ch. Ditch. Write it down. And our last one, punch. Punch somebody, or to drink some fruit punch. 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 Where does it go? Okay, now take time to make sure you write down all 4 of those words. We have bench, catch, ditch, and punch. Then you need to take a picture of it, and then read all 4 of those words to me and put it on Seesaw. Can't wait to see your hard work.